Alright, YouTube viewers, here is this 48-inch D.E.M.C. I expect to step off Craigslist. It's actually the first industrial I found in my area. It's very nice. It's a rare one. Alright, here we go. It's the tag. D.E.M.C Electric Manufacturer .co. D.E.M.C. So 48-inch, 150 volts, 60 cycles, 0.75 amps. Has a 7.5 microfarad capacitor. Capacitor is still good in this one, and it runs much faster than the one I remember in New Jersey. So I'm sure that one was dying, as I remember seeing it. Either way, these are childhood for me. Put it on low while I'm talking. This is low speed on the Hampton Bay 4-speed control. What was I saying? These are a childhood fan for me. There's a candy store. Well, there was a candy store on the Seaside Heights Boardwalk. Two of them. One location had 3 36 inches. Another location had 3 36 inches and one 48-inch. I remember the 48-inch being very amazing because it ran just as fast as the 36-inch ones and blew a great amount of air. I found some 36-inch ones probably a few months ago. They didn't impress me that much, so I sold them. But I found a 48-inch one, and it's very impressive. So that's the low speed. Let's go ahead and go to medium low. Bearings are silent. Could use a bit of a paint touch-up. And the canopies can be de-yellowed. Unfortunately, it says the fan I'm keeping. You'll see why once I hit high. But either way, the one Seaside Heights, I used to go there all the time and used to see it. But I noticed as I grew up and started going there, you know, when on vacation and stuff like that, I started getting slower and slower. It seemed like I've had a failing capacitor. Fortunately, those fans are now gone. They were burned in the fire that took the boardwalk after the hurricane. Let's go ahead and go to medium high. Nothing too impressive on medium high, but when I go to high, you'll see something. Let's go ahead and go to high. There we go. High speed. Kicks in the high gear. Really kicks in the high gear. I'm like, wow. I mean, the amount of air this thing is giving off right now, you can see just stuff moving on the ground. It's underneath it. Very strong breeze. Not sure how many RPMs this thing does. I'm going to test it until it goes really fast. So I will put the RPMs in the description. Let's power it off. And let's go over here. Either way, this is a very powerful industrial. All of it is cast aluminum blades, aluminum motor. I believe that was the same thing for the other D.E.M.Cos. That's why I think it goes so fast, because it doesn't have much weight to it. It's a very light fan. plastic, aluminum. The only thing that probably weighs the most is probably the actual rotor itself, and, parts like the down rod and stuff. This light never wants to focus over here. I would be using my tripod, but I don't have a good area for it right now, so it's just me holding the camera. Unfortunately, it's nighttime just because I'm doing this after I got off work. It's a little bit better. It's a very good spin down time though. Still trying to get the color correction to work a little better. Not bad. So this is one of the 48 inches I'm going to be keeping. I don't have many 48-inch fans. This is one I've been looking for a while now, so I'm happy to finally find one. Oh, you have such a long spin down time. Yes. Still nothing with the camera. Let me go back over here. And see, I can't get the whole fan. I'm literally against these crates right here. Let's try this. Let's go, it's close. Still going. Maybe. Ooh. Can it be? There we go. Thanks for watching.